Hello and welcome to PixelPia, my little corner of YouTube where I try to keep a human eye on AI and hopefully create some discussions about where AI will take us. In today's episode, we're going to do it a little bit different. We are going to do more of a story time about, let's call it an utopia, a place where we use all the good qualities of AI, written as a story. With that said, let's sit back, maybe grab a favorite drink, and let's listen to the story about a little place called Harmonyville. I'll be back after the story. In the heart of the Midwest lies Harmonville, a small picturesque town known for its lush farmlands and tight-knit community. However, like many rural areas, Harmonville faces its share of challenges: an aging population, limited educational resources, and small businesses struggling to keep pace with technological advancements. This is the story of how artificial intelligence became Harmonville's unsung hero, bringing innovation and hope to its residents. The transformation began with a vision from a group of local entrepreneurs and a tech-savvy teacher, Miss Ada. They saw the potential of AI to tackle Harmonville's pressing issues in agriculture, education, and local commerce. Yet the path to transformation was not straightforward. It required funding, knowledge, technology, and most importantly, community buy-in. The journey started with securing the necessary funds. The team initiated a comprehensive fundraising campaign, reaching out to government grants focused on rural development and technological innovation. They complemented these efforts with local fundraisings, events, and a crowdfunding campaign that emphasized community benefits and the potential for a revitalization of Harmonville. Finding the knowledge and technology needed for such a transformation was a monumental task. Miss Ada leveraged her educational networks, inviting experts for workshops and seminars in the town. Partnerships were formed with technology firms interested in piloting AI solutions in agriculture, education, and small business sectors, providing the necessary technological infrastructure and expertise. Perhaps the most significant challenge was rallying the community around this vision. The group organized town hall meetings to discuss the potential of AI, addressing concerns and highlighting the benefits. They showcased examples from similar towns and offered demonstrations of AI technologies, making the concept more tangible. Influential community leaders were brought on board early. Influential community leaders were brought on early, helping to sway public opinion and generate excitement. With the foundation laid, Harmonville embarked on its first venture, revolutionizing agriculture with AI. Drones equipped with sensors soared above the fields, monitoring crop health and soil moisture. Automated irrigation systems and machine learning algorithms optimized resource use, leading to an unprecedented increase in crop yields. This not only made farming more sustainable, but also reinvigorated the town's primary economy. Harmonville's schools became a beacon of modern education thanks to AI-powered tools. Adaptive learning software personalized instructions for each student, while virtual reality field trips opened new worlds of exploration. This innovative approach to learning rekindled students' engagement and academic performances, setting a new standard for education in rural communities. AI also proved to be a game changer for local businesses. The diner and bookstore, among others, adopted AI for inventory management, customer service, and marketing. These tools help them understand their customers better and provide personalized services, leveling the playing field with larger competitors. Leveling the playfield with larger competitors and redefining the shopping experience in Harmonville. Harmonville's journey towards embracing artificial intelligence was marked by innovation and optimism. But it was not without its hurdles. The introduction of AI technologies brought to the forefront several concerns that needed to be addressed thoughtfully to ensure the community's full support and participation. One of the initial fears was the potential for AI and automation to displace jobs, particularly in sectors like agriculture and retail, where technology could assume roles traditionally held by humans. To address this, Harmonville's leaders organized workshops and retraining programs, focusing on upskilling the workforce to work alongside AI technologies, rather than be replaced by them. This initiative aimed to transform potential job losses into opportunities for more fulfilling and less labor-intensive work, emphasizing the role of AI as a tool to augment human capabilities rather than replace them. As data became increasingly central to the town's AI initiatives, concerns about privacy and security surfaces. Harmonville responded by implementing strict data protection policies, ensuring that data collected through AI technologies was used ethically and securely. Regular community meetings were held to educate residents about data rights and the measures in place to protect their information, fostering a culture of transparency and trust. The risk of a growing digital divide was another significant challenge. There was a real concern that segments of the community, particularly the elderly and less affluent, might be left behind in this technological leap forward. To combat this, Harmonville introduced digital literacy programs accessible to all ages and socio-economic backgrounds, ensuring that everyone had the opportunity to learn about and benefit from AI technology. Public Wi-Fi zones were established and affordable access to digital devices was facilitated, making technology more accessible to the entire community. Navigating the ethical implications of AI use became a critical focus for Harmonville. The town established an ethics committee com- comprising community leaders, tech experts, and ordinary citizens to oversee AI projects and ensure they aligned with the community's values. The committee played a vital role in decision-making processes, ensuring that AI was used responsibly, focusing on the common good and respecting individual rights. Through open dialogue, educational initiatives, and inclusive policies, Harmonville not only overcame these challenges, but also strengthened its social fabric. The town emerged not just as a model for technological transformation, but as a testament to the power of community resilience and ethical leadership in the face of change. Harmonville's story underscored the importance of facing technological advancements with a balanced approach, ensuring that progress benefits all members of society while safeguarding their rights and dignity. Harmonville's story is a powerful testament to the transformative potential of AI when deployed with careful planning, ethical considerations, and community involvement. It shows that even small towns can lead in the digital age, provided they embrace technology with open minds and a collective spirit. Harmonville not only overcame its challenges, but also set a path for a future where technology and humanity thrive together, serving as an inspiring model for communities worldwide. By embracing innovation with a comprehensive approach to funding, knowledge acquisition, and community engagement, Harmonville became a beacon of progress, proving that the future is bright when technology serves the common good. Okay, there you have it. The story of Harmonyville. Is it an utopia? Yes. Is it a fictive story? Yes. But is it possible? Well, that's up to you to decide. Let's talk about it in the comments down below. Is it even possible to use AI in this way? And what would it take? And if you like this type of video where I create stories about how AI could be used, or maybe even how it could be misused, and have ideas for similar topics, please leave them in the comments down below. This was very much focused on the positive aspects of AI, but there are risks as well. So today I will end my video with a little presentation to remind us all about the importance of balance between the positive and the negative sides of AI. Stay curious, stay informed, and be part of the change. AI harmony, balancing cautions and prospects, exploring the balance between AI's incredible potential and the mindful consideration it demands. Be vigilant about privacy, but embrace personalized AI enhancements with informed choices. Watch for biases in AI, but contribute to fair and inclusive AI solutions. Guard against over-reliance, but leverage AI to unlock creative human potential. Prepare for industry shifts, but seize opportunities for new careers AI creates. Remember the value of human touch, but use AI to enhance human connections. Demand clarity and accountability, but trust the progress towards ethical AI. Be aware of influence, but empower yourself with knowledge and critical thinking. And with that, I say bye.